Hello there, it's Hayley from SevereWeatherTV.com with a severe weather outlook for July 4th. So what is happening in the land of tropical cyclones? We have Hurricane Arthur. In the eastern Pacific, we have Tropical Storm Douglas. And in the northwest Pacific, Typhoon Neoguri. Going to be quite a large typhoon. In the United States, 15% chance for severe thunderstorms in the next few days. Here is what is happening in Canada at the moment. They've got some, not tropical storm, severe thunderstorm watches up here in these yellow areas. This, of course, is for tropical storm warnings out there. So, here is the map that's showing all this stuff that is going on. So, over here, we have Arthur. Hurricane Arthur was previously a Category 2 hurricane down to Category 1. Still quite a massive storm. You see Arthur moving along. Arthur is expected to transition to post-tropical status somewhere around here and obviously cause some problems for Canada in the near future. So let's talk about the warnings in effect. Here is the watch warning, or we're trying to get there. There we go. Warnings. These are tropical storm warnings for this area and these areas up here. The land hazards that, per the NHC, are wind, storm surge, rainfall, and dangerous surf conditions with this storm. I am hoping to be able to get the data from Environment Canada, is that what it's called? Environment Canada, and start passing that and putting that on cyclocane as well, so that hopefully we can continue to follow the storm, because once the thing goes post-tropical, the NHC basically, disavows it? Disowns it, something of the sort. It stops following it. Neoguri. Typhoon Neoguri. This thing is predicted in the JTWC path, I believe, to become the equivalent of a Category 4 hurricane. And this thing is going to move and hit Japan in the near future, so obviously something to pay attention to if you're in that area. At the moment, though, Neoguri is pretty much over open waters, so that's good, at least. So let's take a look at the models for all of these storms, or some of these storms. So here are the models for Arthur. So this is the ECMWF over here, skips ahead in 24-hour increments. This skips ahead in 3-hour increments. This is the GFS. Pretty much both of these showing this thing booking along the coast, continuing and ending up in Canada as a post-tropical system. And then here are the models for Neoguri. Both of these showing quite a huge storm hitting Japan. Now, not certain how big it's going to be. So this is the ECMWF again, the GFS. Quite large. Quite large. So obviously something to pay attention to. Obviously. Here's some more graphics. Here's just a few of the models for Neoguri. Here's some of the predicted intensities. So one of these, what is it? I think it's the CHP6, is predicting that it would be the equivalent of a Category 5 hurricane. But as you can tell, it is kind of out there without anybody else at the moment. But quite a big storm regardless. In the United States, here's an overview of the severe thunderstorm weather threat for the next few days. Here's what's happening at the moment. So we did have some, special marine warnings out here. Those are apparently cancelled. To over here, severe thunderstorm warning. Let's zoom to that, shall we? There you go. There is the one severe thunderstorm related warning in effect in the United States at the moment. In general, today, 2% chance for a tornado up in this area, and of course, parts of Canada as well. 15% chance for the 58-mile-per-hour and greater winds. Again, parts of Canada, not officially on the map, of course. 5% as well, 5% down there. And 15% chance for the 1-inch or larger hail today. Tomorrow, 15% chance for severe thunderstorms up in this area. 5% for all of that. And yes, that is it for today. So yes, hopefully on cyclocane soon it will be following the Canadian data so we can continue to track Hurricane Arthur as it transitions into a post-tropical storm. And yes, that is it for today. And hopefully you're staying safe out there.